Hello, today I will introduce you uh, hot bed sheet that is very useful in printing PL8. And this is the uh, PC and magnetic sheet. Uh, it have two sides. This front side is the PC material. PC material is well attacked with the PL8. This is the first time I use the PC adhesive is this one. This one is the adhesive PC sheet. This PC sheet has the advantage to attack the PLA, but this adhesive one have the fault that it's just the adhesive one. You can't move it. You can move it out. It was attacked to the this one. I attacked it to the glasses, so it's hard to remove the model from the shift. You need to use this one. You need to use the knife or knife to remove the model from the PC chip. And later you will find it on the market that it has the magnetic sheet for the hot bed. This sheet is two side is the PEI powder on it. It will put the PEI powder on this magnetic steel sheet, and this one together with the magnetic soft. This one is very soft plane. They can put together. It can attack it with the magnetic. So this one is much easier to remove the models. But I found this PEI powder is not attacked with the PL8. Maybe it's attacked with the ABS, but PL8 is I think the best choice is the PC board, PC sheet. So this one I contact with the factory to manufacture this one. This one is the double two sides. This side is the PEI powder sheet, and this one is the PC material attached to this magnetic board, and this one is the soft magnetic plane. You can make it together to attack the steel sheet. And as you see here, once you can whether it was attack the PL8, you can see when it's finished, it's hard to remove the PLA from the PC sheet. So the PC is the best choice for the PLA to attack. So, and with this sheet, we can easily because this sheet is, we can bend it as you see here. So the model can be easy to, even if it's attacked very hard, but we can as you see. As you see, you can remove it because it can bend it from the sheet. It's very attached. As you see here, when it print with the PC adhesive sheet, the PLA was adhesive firmly to the hot bed, and that I didn't need to use the bin. Normally when you print this large size of the model, you need to add up the bin to make the model adhere to the hot bed. But as the PC's material, as the PC's sheet is adhesive with the PLA, you don't need to put the bin for the model, and I don't need to move the bin when the model is finished printing. So this will save your material and also save your time to clean the bin. And even I have text with this carbon fiber material sheet. This is also one of from the market. I also tested with the this board is used for this board is made of the carbon fibers, but the attack ability is not good enough compared to the PC sheet. So I recommend you to try this sheet. I will put our store link for this hot bed sheet for you to buy it. If this can help you, I will appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.